Hey guys, this video we are going to talk about how to use send an HTTP request with header. For this video, I'm going to take an example of to get the weather based on the city. So once we get the response from the weather service, we get some data and we display the result using adaptive code. So to get the weather report, I'm using the website called this weather API. So once you created the account, you can use free version also. There is a key also available. The next thing is for the API Explorer, you can check your application whether your request is working properly or not. First I will go to here, I copy the key. This is a key, I copy, go to API Explorer, add this key, and protocol HTTP or HTTPS you can decide. So I'm using HTTP and the format of your output, whether you need the JSON or XML, you can select it. For me, JSON is enough, and here the default value is London. Okay, so if you click show response, 200 means response code success, and this is a response body. You get information about this location, about the city and country, everything, and the current weather information like when it was updated and the weather information and the conditions. Okay, based on the weather, whether the it's a what is the status, is a partially cloudy or maybe sunny. That information it will come in this condition and the text message. The next one is you can see the icon. So we are going to use this icon in the adaptive code and we display the results also. So first thing is I go to the trigger called weather. That weather begin a dialog, get weather. So here first I need to collect the city name. Okay, which city they are interested user. For that I select the text here and please enter the city name. This value I am going to capture in the dialog.city. So next I am adding the second one, access external resource, send an HTTP request. Here HTTP method I'm going to use get and URL. So we go to the website here. This is a URL, JSON question mark, add it, and q equal to dialog.city. Yeah. So here we have to give like this dollar symbol, and in the parentheses we have to add the which city you are interested. And body leave it at the moment. Header we are going to add key, just one, add it. So I will copy the correct key here. So this is my key, copied. I update the key. Okay, result set, just go with the default property return.results, and content type application.json, and response type JSON format. So we selected everything. So first we will print this result. The next we will go to the adaptive code concept. Here turn dot results. Fine. Restart the bot. Open web chat. Restart the bot. Weather city London. Fine. Look like yeah. So status code 200. Response code okay. Header information and the location information London. Everything is coming properly, and temperature information also is coming. Okay, so our query is working fine. So I don't want to this one, this print no send response, just disable it. Okay, next we go to add the adaptive card. Adaptive card, first add the send response and click this plus symbol, attachment, add a new attachment, create from template, the first option, adaptive card. So last video we see the hero card, but other card is available that we'll talk about later. Select this adaptive card. Once you click the adaptive card, there is a default code has generated. If you click this pop-up editor, here you can see the information about this adaptive card. Just enter, then it's clear. Yeah. So here we are going to change our adaptive card format. I have already created the format. Okay, this is the format I just copied. First I will show the result, then I will show the changes where until I did the changes. Copy. Fine. Restart the bot. Open in web chat. Restart the conversation. I type weather Chennai this time. Yeah. See here, we just read the information location information from the service, and we are passing it Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, and date when last updated, and the temperature, and the text message, and the icon. So what I did for this adaptive card design. So if you go to here, bot response, just close it. Here you click the show code. This is the adaptive card website. Here I create my template. So once template has created, next where and all we need the data. So the dynamic data we have to pass it. Now for example, location name and region and country. So here I used like this format. This format in last video I just used this format to print the result. Okay, for example, in the hero card also I used this one. The image I just pass runtime the data. The same way you can design your adaptive card how the card should be displayed. So next thing is where and all you want to change the dynamic data, you just change like this within the double quotes dollar sign and open close parenthesis what property you want to print it, so that you have to give it here. For example, here I given the name, region, country, and the last updated time, and the icon image. Here you can see the image and passed the image, and about the condition text that also I passed. This is a temperature. That's it. Go back. Maybe we'll check one more city. No need to rebuild. I can just use it like this. Restart the conversation. Weather. Be this time Bangalore. Yeah. So here you see the result.